So this chicken place is supposed to be really good. So the sign says even the chickens recommend us. So if I was a chicken, I would say the chicken here is really delicious, really good. Eat them first before you eat me. So this menu has a little bit of everything. So it's fusion Asian. So there's some Chinese dishes. It looks like it's Japanese and Malaysian and Singapore. So hey, give it a try. The stuffed chicken wing. So I got little flags here to let you know. So this is the original, and this is the cumin lamb. So different flavors. They stuff the chicken wings with rice. So you get a little salad, you get a little corn, and a drink. So this place, even the chickens recommend eat the chicken here. So if I was a chicken, I said eat those wings first before you eat mine. 佢個廚揾一解個好嘢啊！佢啲解嘅介紹俾你，講我係嘅解，我吃佢佢話咦，佢我吃會啦。Here comes some more chicken wings here. Thank you. Ooh, curry. Wow, that's good. Thank you. So I got the original chicken wings and also got the sticky rice chicken wings. Look at that, look at that. Ah, look at this chicken wing, all stuffed with rice. It's got the Chinese sausage, it's got the egg yolk, duck egg yolk. You gotta try this. Wow. So when you bite into it, you see all the rice. That rice is really fragrant. It's just steaming hot. Oh, look at that. Oh. One thing I find out is that I can't imagine so much rice stuffed into a chicken wing. Must be at least half a cup. Look at this, look at this. Ooh, look at this chicken wing. Oh, looks succulent, shiny, stuffed with rice. It's got the sticky rice in the middle. Look at that, look at that. I like this one with the sticky rice. That's good. If you look at the cross section of the chicken wing, it's stuffed in the middle. So that rice is really good. I like the rice, the flavor of the rice inside the chicken. So this is the original one. I think it's probably the same as the one I had before. So this one here, it's got the Chinese sausage, it's got the sticky rice. And look at that, you look how much Chinese sausage you get. Wow, look at that. Oh, so Michi is rice in the chicken wing.
Basically it's chicken, rice, and wings.
Oh, chicken rice wing. Okay, so my mom is wrong. Not the first time she got me in trouble. Not trouble, but confusion. My mom gets me in confusion all the time because I have to juggle 3 languages sometimes. Curry chicken with the noodles. You get a choice of noodles. So this is the whole one. This is the Chinese rice noodles. You get some bok choy, veggies on the side. So you get the nice, rich color of the curry. I think this is probably Malaysian curry. See Mama. See Mom's gonna try the curry chicken.
Khó hiểu. Đặc biệt đấy. Cài gì? Cài mấy chỉ?
Yep, that's on Kingsway and Boundary. So this restaurant is near Kingsway and Boundary. Around the corner, there's that all-you-can-eat buffet. Years ago, so many people, they rushed the food when it came out of the kitchen. So what I did, I went and reached my arms, long arms. I reached over, brought the food over to you, and you took it to the table. So I got first access because I'm so tall. I just grabbed the food, the dim sum, everything as it come off. People just rushed that place. That was like incredible.
I can't remember that.
Yeah, that was that place right there.
At that time, when that incident happened, what was it, like 20 years ago?
At least 20, more than 20, because that was before.
What's the reason why we were doing that?
Because it was a cheap price, all you can eat. So everybody show up at the same day. Probably the whole city showed up. And then when we got in there, I think we had to wait. When we got in there, everybody just rushed the dim sum as it came out of the kitchen. So if you just wait for it to come, you never get it. So I got in there right in the thick of the crowd.
That's funny.
I reached in, took the dim sum off the cart, and then I pass it over to you, over top of everybody's head. That's the only way you can eat. That was something, I can't remember how many years ago. It could have been 20 or more.
Well,
Look at that curry. Look at that big juicy piece of chicken.
it's not there anymore. It's better.
Oh, really good Malaysian style curry. Not too spicy. You gotta try this. Today we're making Coca Cola Chicken Wings using lime Coca Cola. So I really like this lime Coca Cola. It's a fantastic flavor. So we're going to make this using the Instant Pot. So just check the description below in my Chinese cooking accessory guide. You'll find different ingredients and items used in Chinese cooking, as well as the wok that I use and this Instant Pot that I use. Today we have a recipe for Coca Cola Chicken Wings. So we have a pound of chicken wings here. Half an onion slice, 2 tablespoons of ginger, which we cut up in chunk, and then 3 whole cloves of garlic. Okay, so it's flashing on saute here, so just press it, and I'm gonna take off the lid because it's actually flashing to take off the lid. You can't saute anything with the lid on, so I'm taking the lid off. So here I'm just gonna set at 10 minutes for saute. It's going to be on high temperature, so that's fine. So I'm going to just set that and start. So right now I'm just going to marinate the chicken wings. Ideally you should marinate it for at least half an hour, even overnight is even better. So what I'm going to do now is put some soy sauce. So this is the light soy sauce, also called regular soy sauce. So put about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons in there. This is the dark soy sauce. This one is mushroom soy, has a mushroom flavor. So just put about a tablespoon in there just for color. Oops, actually about 2 tablespoons there, that's fine. Other flavors in there, you can put oyster flavor sauce if you like, which is my favorite sauce, but we're just going to keep it simple like this. So you see the Instant Pot setting has turned to hot now. So I'll put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Let it heat up for a few seconds. Now we're going to put the aromatics. I have half an onion here sliced, 2 tablespoons of ginger, I cut it in big chunks, and 3 whole cloves of garlic. The setting is for 10 minutes for the saute, so you should be finished in about 10 minutes, I would say, for sure. So now I'm going to put the chicken wings in. We've got about a pound in there. Oh, I smell the aroma here, it's really nice. So I'm going to put the Coca-Cola in. Just put a cup in there, which is 250 ml. So you put the Coca-Cola in there and just let it saute. So now I'm going to put the lid on. So the lid, you see the pressure release valve, that goes in the back there. So in the front, what it has to the left is closed, to the right is open, so I'm going to turn it left. So once I turn it left, it's locked in. You don't need to do anything. This is the model that I have. I'm going to cancel the saute and I'm going to go high pressure cooking. So pressure cook is flashing, so you press that. I'm going to leave it at 5 minutes. It's going to cook on high. There's no delay, and it's going to be on warm. So when it finishes. So now you just press the start button. I think I'm going to do with the other half of the bottle. I'm going to drink it, of course. Ooh, I love this lime Coca-Cola. It's been about 10 minutes now. We're gonna pressure release the Instant Pot right now using the force method. So what you do is keep going till the silver button drops. That means all the pressure is off. So it worked pretty good. So, see, there it goes. So you turn right to open the Instant Pot, because it says open on the right here. Woo. There you have it. A simple, tasty recipe for lime Coca Cola chicken wings using the Instant Pot. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.